India da chathakhiba Operation Sindoor da Pulwama attack amadi kumja lising amaga chamapan marifutara mapanda chathakhiba India gi plan hijack ta chennaba yaona Pakistani terrorist samagi Mathakta Neutralised Toukhi haina Director General of Military Operations DGMO Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai na phongdorakli Operation Sindoor gi matangda ngasi Indian Armed Force ahumgi makok thongbo officer sing yauna pangthokhiba pawgi mifam amada Lieutenant General Rajiv Ghai na hai Operation Sindoor asi Pahalgam terror attack ki matungda Indiana khut hanba oina chathaba achobo operation amani operation asida Pakistan occupied Kashmir yauna Pakistan da laiba terror camp mapan thugai ki maduda terrorist samagi mathakta hathi Makoy sing adugi manungda kumja lising amaga chamapan marifutara mapan gi Indian Airlines flight IC 814 hijack toba amadi kumja lising ani tara mapanda chathakhiba Pulwama attack ta chennaba terrorist Yusuf Azhar Abdul Malik Rauf amadi Mudassir Ahmad na chingba yauki Operation Sindoor asi terrorist sing chairak pinaba amadi terror infrastructure singda target toba operation amani haina mahakna makha takhi.
We also undertook certain measures such as deployment of air defense and electronic warfare assets to establish an integrated grid with the Indian Air Force, and I have seen and heard some of you wax eloquent about the benefits of such an architecture when it comes to negating and combating air intrusions. We also carried out deployment to include movement of our forces in the land, sea and air domains. The night of the 9th and the 10th of May saw similar intrusions by drones and aircrafts, and this time there was a concerted effort to target airfields and some very important logistic installations, albeit yet again unsuccessful and denied gallantly and efficiently, I must say, by the integrated Indian Air Force and Indian Army Air Defense.